am Prajun Kodekar from Durgapur. Today's Bible topic is a scope of variables in Java. And scope of a variable is the part of part of the program where the variable is accessible, like C, C++, in Java. All identifiers are exactly or statistically scoped. For example, scope of a variable can determinate at compiler time and interpreted of a functional call stack. Java programs are organized in the form of classes. Every classes is part of some package. Java scope rules can be converted under following categories. Member variables, class level scope. These variables must be declared inside class. I mean outside any functions. They can be declared accessed anywhere in class. We can declare class variables anywhere in class but outside method. Access specified of members variables do not affect scope of them within a class. Member variables can be accessed outside a class with the following rules. Local variables, method level scope. Variables declared inside a method have method level scope and cannot be accessed outside the method. Loop variable, that means block scope. A loop variable available declared inside pair of brackets in bracket and in a method has scope within the bracket only. Some important points about variable scope in Java. In general, a set of purely bracket, open and close curly bracket, define a scope. In Java, we can usually access a variables as long as it is defined within the same set of blocks. As the code we are waiting or within any square bracket inside of the square. A bracket where the variables was defined. Any variables defined in a class outside of any method can be used by all members methods. When a method has the same local variables as some members, this keyword can be used to reference the current class variables. For a variable to will read after the termination of a loop. It must be declared before the body of the loop. So this is the shortly information about today's topic. So thank you.